So what is the best way to start investing? It's to start investing, which is exactly why we set the minimum to $5 to start and why we spend so much time in the beginning of Stash building a financial education platform alongside of an investing platform. And so a lot of people said to me before we started the company, well, I can't start investing because you need to be rich to start. I'd always follow it up and say, okay, then what's rich? You tell me, what is that? And no one could answer the question. So my best advice to people is get off of the sidelines, start investing, start learning, and ultimately start putting money away for your future, whether you do it in an invest account or in a Stash retirement account. It's a really powerful thing when you start forming that really positive habit. And you're not on your own because the Stash coach will give you lots of information and guidance once you start investing on the journey with us. So the best financial advice anyone's ever given me. Well, there's two, but they go kind of hand in hand. The first one is put money away. Don't spend it all. And that was, when I was younger, that was definitely a problem for me. I loved to go out and spend and spend. But I started getting advice from a lot of older people, mentors that I had, that would say, you gotta put some of your paycheck away for a rainy day. And that advice is something that stuck with me. I teach it to my kids and I tell everyone who will listen that if times are tough, it's nice to have a little nest egg, even if it's a few $100 that you could fall back on. Because remember, 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So putting a little money away is really important. And the second one that I've learned that kind of goes with that is think about where you're spending. Do you really need what you're buying? Are you gonna buy a new TV that you don't really need? It goes with saving. So if you've worked really hard to save up some money, I think it's really important also to think about where you're gonna spend that money. Because it's really good and really healthy to have a little bit of money put away for a rainy day.